Hey guys, welcome to Online Has. I just wanted to tell you a couple things about the instructions for today. Hopefully you don't feel super overwhelmed by this class specifically. I know that you have lots of other requirements for your core classes, so I'm only going to be posting work for you guys on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and I'm going to keep it to about 20 to 30 minutes worth of homework on those days only. I don't want you to feel really overwhelmed with this class in the next couple weeks, so we're going to keep it pretty simple. Today I would like you to familiarize yourself with Google Classroom. I've organized it a little bit differently than I have in the past. And then I'd also like you to complete the at-home learning letter quiz that I have. So all you need to do is read through the letter and then answer the questions on the quiz so that I know that you got the accurate information from it. We are going to 5 days a week for the time that we're going to be learning online. This is so that you can actually get done with school earlier and we'll start summer, have a longer summer, start it earlier. So I think that's probably a good thing for most of you. But you will be required to log in online on Fridays. And in addition to that, you will be responsible for taking your own attendance. There's a tutorial on my Google Classroom on how to do this if you don't know how, and I'll walk you through all of that. So I'm going to go ahead and show you from my perspective what the Google Classroom is going to look like. So when you click on Google Classroom, you should see this. In the left-hand corner, it will tell you what upcoming work you have, which is a nice tool. It tells you when it's due. And then once you've already completed it, it will go away and it'll say that you don't have any work that's due soon. So in the past, I've just posted things and you can access it on the stream here, but I don't want you to do that anymore. Instead, whenever you log on to Google Classroom, please click on the Classwork tab. And this is where all of your important information will be posted. So right now there's nothing posted for Monday, March 30th because it hasn't been updated yet. But once it is, there will be a tab here that says Monday, March 30th, and it will show up on this left side here as well. The general information on here that's posted right now is how to sign up for a Google Meeting with me. So you can go ahead and click on this calendar and it will give you dates, and if you select a date, it'll give you a time that you can sign up. Up to 5 students can be in each of these meetings, so if you want to sign up with a friend and we can chat about HAS, if you have any questions about anything else or you just want to talk, that's fine too. Let's see. If you're having technology problems, there's a link here for a Google survey. This will send it directly to the technology department at Two Harbors High School, and they can help you figure out the issue that you're having. Now, if you do not know your Infinite Campus login and username, this is the form that you should fill out, and you do need to know those things in order to take your own attendance. Now, if you do not know how to take your own attendance, there's a tutorial right here with a video that will show you how to take your attendance in Infinite Campus. There's also a tutorial on how to turn off email notifications and such. I would recommend using this menu here and clicking on these tabs. It brings you directly to all of this information. So once we start doing each day, the date will also pop up on the side and you can see all the work that's due for that specific day. If you notice, this icon is purple and the rest of them are gray. Icons that are colored are icons that require you to do something. So this one's a check-in and it requires you to answer the questions. You can click on it, go to view question, and if you see right here, it said actually open the question and leave an answer, don't just leave a class comment. So if you type in an answer over here, I had spaghetti for lunch, and I can turn it in and hit turn in. Now I'm finished. If I go back to the original page, this icon is now gray, meaning that I have already finished it. And then if you go back to the stream, this little spot right here says no work due soon because you're finished with it. So I always want you to use the classwork tab. The general information will always be at the top, and directly below it will be today's date. All right? Let me know if you have any questions. Again, you can email me and I'll get back to you. My office hours will be from 10 to 12 and 2 to 4. And I'll get back to you as soon as I can otherwise.